What if I tell you, you can create employment agreements for free in minutes using AI? Most hiring gets stuck because of paperwork, days spent writing contracts, endless edits and back-and-forth emails, while others hire top talent and move ahead. But there's a better way. Go to Legitt AI, just tell LANA, our AI assistant, draft an employment agreement. LANA generates a complete draft with variables ready to be filled. Enter your information into these variables to customize the agreement exactly the way you need. Once your details are added, save the document, sign it, and send it to your new hire. They can sign securely with a full audit trail. Finally, export the agreement as a PDF or Word file and keep it ready for your records. Don't let paperwork slow down your hiring. Create your first employment agreement with Legitt AI in free.